Hello again, welcome back, and we're gonna talk about Mastercam actually 2024, and then we're gonna try to understand the Mastercam and the lathe and C-axis operation by using that's product. Okay, and you can see here I created some roughing process actually by using the solid model. Okay, we cannot create any wireframe here, and after that you can also see some finishing process by using that line. Actually, this is my finishing process, and then you can also see the C-axis operation. This is the C-axis drilling operation. When I am click here, you're gonna see that this is my actually toolpath C-axis drilling operation, and after that actually you can see all my operation. Okay, in that lecture you're gonna see all the detail about that toolpath. And thank you very much for listening to me. I really appreciated your interest. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. I am here to answer your question.